zìcóng, yîlái. Since or since a time, or ever since, or from then until the present. Ever since using yîlái after a time in the past, just the word lie can also play a similar role. All we needs to do is put yîlái after a specific event or time. It expresses what has happened since the stated event until the time that the speaker talks. zìcóng plus time or event plus yîlái. 自从他上大学以来，变了很多。Since starting college, he has changed a lot. 我自从进入公司以来，从未请过假。I have never asked for leave since I joined the company. 自从我学汉语以来，我认识了很多中国朋友。Since I learned Chinese, I have made many Chinese friends.